Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about Creative Scrapbooker magazine's Village of Inspired People. I joined the village from the very first month it started, and I have not regretted 1 minute of belonging to this club. I enjoy the camaraderie of all of the women and men who are encouraging and uplifting and sharing. There's not a day that goes by on the private group on Facebook that you won't find messages of new products that people are trying, and someone's sick, so here's an address to send sympathy card, and here's a birthday today, so let's send a card and wish them happy birthday. And there are projects every month. There are color combo challenges given every month, a Saturday sketch given every month, a sketch that you can use to make your scrapbook pages or cards from. There are demos. There are demos every week. There are tips and shares from Marvelous Monday. There's Finally Friday projects. There's an online class every single month, and you are being taught these classes and demos from well-known people in the scrapbooking and card making industry. And the other thing, one of my favorite things, is the Zoom crop that happens every month. It's all by Zoom. Or you can do it through Facebook. So you don't have to worry about packing stuff up to go, but you get to hang out with the most amazing people. They do all sorts of projects. They teach classes. They have door prizes and just so much. And the other thing about this minimal monthly fee, and I believe, but don't quote me, I think it's around $15. But you get all of those classes. You get everything. Everything is free. Everything is free. You will learn so much. And on top of it, this club rewards its members for staying in the club. Like, look at this amazing apron. This is a beautiful apron it's actually a embroidered apron with pockets on the front. It's absolutely wonderful for wearing in your craft room while you're painting and spraying and doing all of the fun stuff. One year we got this great phone charger, so you just lay your phone on top of it and it charges. And this year, look at this amazing gift. This is like a leather-bound book that you can jot notes, pick, from classes, whatever you want in there. And look at this super cool pen. It is a level. It has measurements on it. It has a tip that you can use on your phone or your iPad. What an amazing gift. What an amazing gift. They believe in rewarding people for being in the group, being faithful. I'm telling you, if it wasn't for Creative Scrapbooker magazine, I don't know how I would have gotten through COVID. They kept me sane because they kept me involved with the community. I suffer from rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia, and so being in a community that I have to go someplace to meet with people is just not doable for me. But whether I'm having a good day or a bad or an in-between day, I can be with these people online, getting encouragement, love, support, ideas. I mean, boy, I just can't say enough about this group. The Village of Inspired People will fulfill your craft room enjoyment. The love and care of the people will fulfill your heart. I'm telling you, it'll be the best club you've ever joined in your whole life if you take advantage of it. So please consider going to Creative Scrapbooker magazine. It's creativescrapbooker.ca/VIP and sign up. And trust me, it'll be the best thing you ever did. I hope to see you in the village. Have a wonderfully crafty day.